We're going to take a small break from fixing washing machines and dryers. This side project took me about 3 weeks of my free time. I'll be taking the two ends of a 500-gallon propane tank, cutting all the pieces off, welding them together, and then making it look like an underwater naval mine. Originally, I cut 4 holes on each side of the spheres so I could weld caps to the back to install the spikes. I'm also going to take the plasma cutter and cut off anything on here that doesn't need to be there, such as the fill gauge, drain port, and anything else that this propane tank had going through it. To make the process a little bit easier on all of these penetrations, I'm going to be putting a cap in there, then simply welding everything shut. I've had these 2 spheres left over from a project from about 10 years ago, and I'm finally putting them to use. In order to hold this inert mine in place, I'm going to weld a chain onto what will become the bottom section of this inert mine. And to me, it's just amazing how quick a plasma cutter can cut through solid steel. Once the 4 holes are made on each side, I'm going to take caps, weld them to the backside so that everything is water and airtight. When I finally join them together, I'm going to be using engine hoist to hold everything in place while I tack it in place. I should have spent more time grinding and prepping the weld surface area, which came to bite me later on when I had to go back and fix all of the holes. And because I don't want a visit from the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms, and Explosives, I am going to clearly label this as inert. Slap on a coat of paint, and this part is done. I've got a link below to the full YouTube video.